The pollution catcher. Material required: cardboard, wires, battery switch, fans, motors, can, jaw stick, flexible pipe. Cut the head of the can, and fix it into the circle. Fix the fans in motors. Place the fans near the holes. Carefully do the wiring. Attach a battery to generate electricity. Cut the top of the cap and fix it into the pipe. Now our pollution catcher is ready for use. When you place the jaw sticks near the catcher, you can see that all pollution is getting catched by pollution catcher. Environmental pollution is not only humanity's treason to humanity but also a treason to all other living creatures on Earth.